In the last video, we showed you how to navigate to the banner registration menu, which you see on the screen now. In this video, we're going to review the Prepare for Registration area. This will show you how to check your time ticket, student status, and make sure you are ready to register on the correct time and date. To begin, click on Prepare for Registration. This brings you to a screen to select the term. Please choose the semester that you are currently planning to register for and click Continue. This will bring you to the registration status page, which will show you a few things. First, you can check if your student and academic status are permitting or preventing registration. If they are green, you're good to go. You can also check if you have any holds or not. Holds are restrictions placed on your account by a number of campus offices, such as the bursar's office, health services, or the library. If you do have any holds that would prevent registration in this area, it will be listed in this line, and you should plan to contact the office that has placed the hold in order to get it resolved. Please note that undergraduate advising does not place or lift holds, and you must contact the office who placed the hold directly in order to have it resolved. The next line down will show you your time ticket, which is the exact time and date that you'll be able to register for classes for the term you have selected. So for this student, their time ticket is from April 28th, 2025, opening at noon, and ends September 30th, also at noon. These are the dates and times that this student will be eligible to register for classes for. If the student does not register for classes in this window, they will not be eligible to do so. Time tickets are generally assigned based on your class standing, which is how many credits you've earned. Though there are other statuses that could affect your time ticket, such as being an honors student, RA, or student athlete. It's important to note that you may have a different time ticket from your friends, roommates, or classmates, as time tickets vary based on credits and student statuses. So always make sure to check your own personal time ticket each semester before registration. The bottom section under Earned Hours will show you your class standing for registration purposes, confirming what student status your time ticket was assigned based on. To the right, you will also see your degree information, including your declared major and minor under primary curriculum. These are good to check to make sure you're fully declared in the right degree program. If you're confused about anything you see on this page, you can contact the registrar's office or your academic advisor for clarification.